sizo create awareness emphakathini mayelana nalolu daba labantu bokufika. And I think into that always stresses me out kulabantu abajaha ukwenza ngazuthi lento is a fight against black people is that they don't understand the very same black people ukuthi ba-affecteke kangakanani lento yalabantu bokufika.
You know what Jacinta is saying is what is disturbing me each and every day. If you go around these Pakistanis, Somalis, Ethiopian tuck shops, you will find South Africans who are sitting there like amapara, drinking, swimming in alcohol. And you will just ask yourself, ukuthi ababoni ukuthi these guys are using them to make money, are using them to enrich themselves.
This is something we just saw much, and we keep seeing it over and over again. So saying it's a new record before we call. So there is itolo, right? Itolo zakhona zi-owner abantu bokufika. Around them kukhona abantu bala South Africa bayiphuzele bayidakelwe, like it's a Sunday, guys, but indlela abaphuze ngayo abadakwe ngayo abantu in this neighborhood emalokishini. And the people that own the businesses in this area that are benefiting kulobu phuzwa kabo nokudakwa